Allez, c'est parti.
Hello guys and welcome to the English review of the Engwe L20. Boom boom. I did a French video unboxing and introducing the Engwe L20. You can watch it on my channel if you want. I will put it the link in the video or in the description. If you are interested, you just have to turn on the subtitles. Since I had a lot of footage left, I was thinking about doing a review for you guys in English if you were looking for information. I know there is a lot of a review out there already on YouTube, so that's why I will give my thought. I won't go that deep into the unboxing and presenting the spec, etc. I will give you my thought and impression after 2 months riding it, and also my wife's impression after 2 months riding it, because she actually did use it as a daily commuter, and we use it for some road trips as well. So let's begin. So Engwe L20 model comes with the 3 colors. You've got the red, the black and the white one. It's powered with the 48 volt 13 amp battery and 250 watts motor with a maximum torque of 50 Newton meters, which give legal, which is road legal and did comply with the European standard, and you can ride it in France, in Belgium, in Switzerland, and even in the UK, because it follows the laws of the country. Maximum speed, of course, is restricted to 25 kilometers per hour. You can unrestrict it to reach the maximum speed of 45 kilometers per hour for my wife and 43 kilometers per hour for me, because I am heavier than her. The battery is quite good. Actually, we did a road trip and we did more than 80 kilometers riding and pedaling with the maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. We actually reached more than 80 kilometers. So the website claims that you can go to 140 kilometers. I didn't reach that range, but you can absolutely do more than 80 kilometers if you manage the battery quite well. The controller is controls the 18 amp and distribute the power quite well. That's why you can reach that range. You've got 2 racks. You've got a front rack that can support 13 kilograms and the rear rack that can support 25 kilograms. The wheels are quite original too. This is not the first time that Engwe are doing this, but you don't have the motor is directly integrated into the wheels, so it gives like this motorcycle look. One of the downsides of the bike, it is the pedal. The pedal are quite low, so when you will turn, my wife had a minor accident, but when you turn, for example, you be careful because the pedal can touch the ground. So this is something that you have to keep in mind. Another downside also, it is the front and rear mud guards. They are metallic and they are quite noisy, so you have to check the bolts, and you can also change it and put some plastic mud guards, which is better, I think. Now our thoughts after 2 months. So I did use it for a while, and what I like it is, for example, the almost instant energy distribution when you are pedaling, which means that the motor is activating very fast when you pedal, so there is no need to have a thumb throttle or throttle. it's not activated when you receive it. You can deactivate it by activate it by the settings if you want to. The fact that there is no rear suspension wasn't a problem at all. Actually, it's more like a city commuter that you can use. You can use it for like a forest trail or something like that. It's not meant to do some heavy off-road, but you can definitely do some good trip with it. My wife found it quite comfortable. So even though there is no rear suspension, I like the fact that they put some BMX handlebar instead of the traditional foldable handlebar that they used to put on the bike. What can we say? Yeah, the autonomy is massive. The lights, maybe the lights lack a little bit of power, and I suggest you not to fix it on the front rack, but directly on the mudguard. So when you turn, the light will turn with you as well, because it can be an issue if you have to turn. So in conclusion, for 2 months daily ride, it's perfect. As a daily commuter, it's quite perfect. Maybe we'll see what will happen this winter, how the bike handle the cold. The tires are Shaoyang. Shaoyang is a quite reliable brand. We don't have any issue with it, and yeah, to conclude, my wife and myself are very pleased with this Engwe model. We did had the Ep2 Pro and the C20 Pro as well. Engwe gives us good satisfaction with their product since today. So yeah, I strongly recommend you this bike if you are into this style of frame. It's woman friendly because you don't have to you don't have to raise your leg that high if you wanted to ride the bike. So it is quite woman friendly and every gender friendly as you want. And yeah, and the fact that it is actually one of the model that is road legal for Europe, is a very good point from them. The construction, the rack, and the soldering is pretty good. So yeah, I strongly suggest you this bike if you are interested. So if you guys are interested into the product and you did make your choice, I will put you the link into the description. Have a look, and yeah, if you decide to take it, it will help the channel a little bit. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Tell me what you think about it. If you are into this kind of bike or no. And I will catch you on the next. See you, take care, ride safe, and yeah, see you guys.